Hey everybody, this is Leslie and you're watching Midlife and Nailing It. If you could please hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. It helps my channel out so much. Today I have for you a grocery haul video. I am featuring Daily Harvest as well as a Kroger click list pickup. Let's go ahead and get started. So today, guys, I have for you a Daily Harvest haul. And so I went ahead and purchased 14 items from them. I do that about every month or so, and I think it runs me about $90. So it gives me 14 meals for that price. And I like having these on hand in the freezer because I can grab one of these instead of like wanting something quick and like running through McDonald's or something. I can just grab one of these. It doesn't take very long to cook and they're so good. Okay guys, so I really love this pumpkin oats. It's got raisins and pecans, cinnamon, nutmeg. It's the pumpkin and chai oat bowl. This is super good. You can do it either cold or you can heat it up. There's directions on the packaging, but I went ahead and picked up 2 of these because I know I love this one. All right, so this is one of their harvest bowls, and it's the red lentil and cumin harvest bowl. It's made out of cauliflower, red lentil, carrot, spinach, coconut, and kachari. I think that's how you say it. Please correct me if I'm wrong. But anyways, I like this one as well. I got 1 of these. And then I went ahead and picked up 2 of these harvest bowls. This is the Brussels sprouts and lime pad thai. And I love this one. This has Brussels sprouts, kale, carrot, kelp, jalapeno, and lime. This combination is so delicious. And so this is the sweet potato flatbread with TOMATILLO, I think I said that right, and pepper. I haven't tried this one yet, but I'm excited to. I went ahead and picked up 2 of those, and then I went ahead and grabbed this sweet potato flatbread. This is the kale and sweet potato. I'm excited to give these a whirl. This was part of their fall lineup for the flatbreads. I think the flatbreads, and we say flatbreads, but there is no bread, you guys. This is all made plant-based materials. All of the food that is with Daily Harvest is all plant-based. And so anyways, this is their kale and sweet potato. I'm excited to give those a whirl. I picked up 2. And then this one, you guys, is my absolute favorite. This is the broccoli flatbread, artichoke, and spinach. I picked up 4 of these because I love these things. So I highly recommend them. So now we're moving into the Kroger haul, guys. And I was so exhausted this day. Randy did it for me. So let's see how he did. I'm going to find out along with you.
Okay, so here's our grocery haul this week. It came to about $133. I just came home from work and I'm not sure what anything's really for, but I'm doing a celebrity shot grocery haul here, so I'm going to guess what I think it's for. So we're going to check it out. So we have, I don't even know what this is. Oat milk. Gluten-free. No idea what that's for. Smoothies. Okay, smoothie. That makes sense. 7-Up. Eggs. We have traditional marinara tomato sauce. And what is this going to be? Some bread. Looks like somebody's going to make some pasta, possibly lasagna, but sadly, this was the only box of noodles we got because they messed up our grocery order. So rather than starve our family, we're going to go to another store and get another box. So that I do know that that's happening. We have crescent rolls. What are these? Oh, cheddar. This was a substitute also. Organic macaroni or shells and cheese. So we'll see how that turns out. We have some mozzarella cheese, some lemons, pork sausage. Now, I'm wondering if maybe this is for chili, for a fall chili. I don't know.
No, it's for Chandler specifically.
Oh, this was for Chandler. Okay, specifically.
He's been making like sausage and eggs all the time.
He's been making sausage and eggs all the time, so that's good. Now we have Honey Nut Cheerios for those who didn't want sausage and eggs. Light brown sugar, Why do you taste so good? We like it. Private selection. What is this? Oven roasted turkey. You can't go wrong roasting in the oven. Some chewy yogurt. What are these? These are flavored coating strawberry. Wow. They have everything now. We have some Hershey bars. We've got some vanilla, pure vanilla extract. Some honey, which was, in our opinion, a little bit expensive. I don't know what's going on with that. Bee shortage or something. Some vegetable oil. Some manwich. So it sounds like we're having sloppy joes, which makes me happy. Hamburger buns. Some ketchup. Chocolate milk that Chandler could not resist and already broke into. So we apologize for that. It was literally here about 15 seconds. Coming back over here, we had some ground hamburger, which could be for a host of things. Romaine lettuce keeps well in the fridge, typically, in my opinion. Crinkle cut fries. Then we've got some white bread and, Michelinas, because the kids love Michelinas. So who couldn't resist this smile right here? And we have, looks like fettuccine Alfredo. Then some smart ones. And what is this now? Oh, chicken enchiladas suiza. How about that? And then we have some boneless pork loin, pork chops, looks like. And I think that covers everything. So, thanks for watching my guest shot on the channel. I hope I got at least 85% of it correct.
Well, I will say that's my fastest grocery haul ever. Thank you, Randy, for helping me out. I wasn't feeling it that day. I just wasn't. And so he stepped up and totally did the grocery haul. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.